Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a tutorial for 3 different types of ender pearl stasis chambers that you can build on Bedrock Edition on mobile or on PC, because both are Bedrock Edition, obviously. And I'm going to show you the examples of them along with how to build it step by step. So let's get started. So we are going to first start off with this one, and this one is kind of the safer version of the other two that I'm going to show you. So as you can see, glass, ladder, honey, door, trapdoors, soul sand, bubble columns, and I'm just going to show you how to build this. Okay, so basically what you're going to need is soul sand, a water bucket, glass, honey block, any trapdoor. Cobblestone is optional, but you can really use any block for what I'm going to do. Ladder, also optional, and a door. So you're going to first start off with building a 2x1 hole, and you're going to place soul sand in the bottom and water on top, like so. And I personally just like to put cobblestone right here where the door is going to go, just so that it doesn't like get broken or anything. So then you're going to build the glass up 4 blocks tall. Like so. Okay, so the next step is to put your honey down. 2 blocks of honey, like so. Now you're going to place your trapdoors down, right like this, above the bubble columns. Like so. And you're going to open these. Then you can go ahead and place your door down. And for easy access to the top, you can just put some cobblestone and ladders in the corner, like this, if you're building this in survival mode. Then you're also going to put 2 trapdoors at the top like this, just for an extra added layer of safety. And to use the ender pearl stasis chamber, you're going to throw your ender pearl in between these 2 blocks of honey, where this little like more transparent gap is. Straight down. And as you can see, now it is bouncing in the ender pearl stasis chamber. And how you activate this is just flip both trapdoors down, and then you can teleport into your stasis chamber. And that's basically how you build the safest one. Now I'm going to show you how to build the more simple ones if you have limited resources. These are the same. The only difference between these two is that this one has a glass box around it and this one doesn't. So I'm actually going to start with this one. So all you're going to need for this one is soul sand, water, honey, and a trapdoor. You're going to start off with digging a 1x1 hole, placing your soul sand, placing your water. You're going to place honey blocks like this, diagonally from each other. And then you're going to place your trapdoor down, like this, and open it. Now this one is a bit trickier to put your pearl in, but basically what you do is you go up here and you crouch on the edge between these 2 blocks. You're going to line up your crosshair like right in front of this corner, looking straight down, and then you're going to throw it. Now this looks a bit odd, to say the least, but it works. The only issue is that you can only put 1 ender pearl in at a time. The other one that I just showed you, you can put multiple ender pearls in without it being an issue. If you were to try and put 2 ender pearls in here from a different player, like for example, I tested this out with my friends, and you can't put like another ender pearl if it's your friend's ender pearl, other than your own. You can put multiple of your own ender pearls in here, but not multiple of ender pearls from different people, if that makes sense. And then you can just activate it like this. And that's how that one works. Now I'm going to show you the safer version of this exact thing. So for this, you're going to need soul sand, water, glass, honey, your trap doors, and a regular door like this. So you're just going to build the same thing as before: your soul sand, your water, your honey blocks, your trap door, like so. And then you're going to build just like a little glass box around this. You're going to build it 4 blocks tall, and make sure that you cover the roof as well. Then you're going to add a door right here, and then you're basically done. All you have to do is walk in and put your ender pearl in here, and then you're done. The reason why I like to put a safe box around it is because you can body block pearls, and so can animals. So if an animal were to walk in here and somehow fall into here, it would body block the pearl. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if you were to walk in there, it would just activate. So that's why I like to build a safer sort of glass box around it to prevent anything from body blocking your pearl. These stasis chambers work from anywhere in the overworld, but they do not work across dimensions. I tested that with my friends, as you can see from this nether portal, and you cannot pull a stasis in Bedrock Edition from a different dimension. But if you build it in like the same dimension, it does work. But obviously you can't build this in the nether because of the water block. I'm pretty sure you could build one in the end though, so that's a neat thing. So that's the tutorial on how to build 3 different types of stasis chambers in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys later.